Everybody just
naalala mo, sabi ko sa'yo nung time na nagkaayos tayo nun, na walang susuko, nalalaban tayo, na dadating yung time, magiging okay din ang lahat. Ngayon, nandito na tayo.
Ang presensya ay pag-ibig at ang pag-ibig ay presensya. Kaya kami lahat ay narito kasi mahal namin kayo. Maaga akong dumating, ang una kong nakita yung this seat is reserved. Maaring siya ay physically wala, pero in spirit, alam ko nariyan ang iyong mother. Kaya walang pwedeng umupo dyan, no? Naka-reserve.
Patrick, back in September 2016 when we started our relationship as couple. It was us against the world because I grew up in a family that is very strict and conservative. Thank you, baby, for never leaving my side, especially during the most difficult and painful moments of my life, for staying with me after my mom passed away, just to make sure that I am always okay and I won't feel alone. One thing. Don't worry, I'll prove them wrong and win them over for you. And then 7 years later, I can say that you were able to do just that.
Patrick and Maris. Wow, Patrick found the right woman, the right partner in his life.
Sana maging happy yung wedding mo with Maristel mamaya and more fruitful years to come. Cheers! 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 Thank you! Thank you!
Love you! Love you!
In a world full of ingat ka, you will always be the sutuin kita and samahan kita type of guy. It doesn't matter how late or how far. It doesn't even matter how busy you are. You will always be there to see me, even for a minute.
Alam kong madami pa tayong pagdadaan ng problema. Marami pa tayong pag-aawayan. At araw-araw mo pa rin akong susungitan. Kasama ng pagpangako ko na mamalit kita sa hirap at ginawa. Sakit man o kalusugan. At sa habang buhay ay ipapangako ko din na araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Mahal na mahal kita, Liza Maristel Sandelices Anomia.
And look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing old together. I know that you will be a good husband and father to Kobe and our future babies. I love you so much, Gravy.